welcome to Sandpaper. Very good evening from your dear Ashmita Ba, and today ami Sandpaper of our palo enisu at a 7-day formula for easier cracking. Not for cracking, okay? Easier cracking of APSC Prelims 2024, which we have named as Assam Essentials. Iti Assam Essentials hoy ki, okay? So yate ami on the top gute gite bostu to diye thoisu je ki cover hobo ki no hobo, but this module is actually not your regular Assam module. Apunar Assam specific course etu okol Assam specific course no hoy. This is a special type of module which we have devised with a lot of thoughts. Let us first move into what will be covered by this Assam Essentials. So jodi Assam Essentials or kotha ami ko, this will cover syllabus which is beyond the 4 pillars of history, economics, polity and geography. Amar juntu APSC prelims or karne crash course ami launch korisilo, crash course at rupees 5,100 only. Jar mosto overwhelming response apunaloke amak dise. Ami first batch already teolokor admissions close korisu, second batch admission soli ase. And jodi apnaloke bhabi ase ki notification ulabo, then I'll be thinking about it, you are going to be late. Because Sandpaper is not bluffing when it is saying je it has limited resources for quality content. Amar current affairs or juntu seat ase hetu fill up hoi goise. Website or jabo current affairs or gute classes bur gute seats bur filled up hoi goise, so we cannot have any more students for current affairs. Jodi test series loise ba crash course loy tetia current affairs will come with it, but okol current affairs okane amar website or juntu space asile hetu overwhelm kori pela lora soli ahi goise, so we cannot have more current affairs. Similar to that, crash course is also going to the second batch, bahut close to closure. Again test series also lora soli ahi ase, test series olop seat besi ase, and the same thing will happen with Assam Essentials. Kintu now I will go into what Assam Essentials is talking about. So juntu amar crash course asile, hey crash course ot to ami Assam history, Assam economics, Assam polity, Assam geography we have covered. Gute kita pillar juntu ami India karne cover koru, hetu Assam karne ami cover already kori asu. Classes of Assam only are going on. So one fine day what happened that me and my Assam faculty Chainika, we were sitting and we were discussing a phenomena called syllabus blind spot. Now what is a syllabus blind spot? Okay, syllabus blind spot no ki bostu. I'll tell you syllabus blind spot ki bostu. Let us look at the prelims syllabus that we have before us. Ito amar APSC prelims syllabus. Aru yat sabo current affairs, mane current affairs kotha koise, history of India and Indian national movement, Indian and world geography, physical, social, economic geography and the world, Indian polity, economy, general issues on environment, ecology, biodiversity, climate change and general science. Tona likise 30 to 35% questions in general study paper 1 will be related to Assam. So itia jun hokole amar micro manager loise, syllabus or juntu ami micro manager disu, tat ami Assam part or history part to bhalke differentiate kori disu, okay? Aru tate polity, economy and geography to karne ami ekeloge disilu, but now we have decided to break it up and we are preparing. Whoever has taken the micromanager, they will be given it again. Je economy, polity and geography Assam part 2 ami aru micromanage kori di asu. Itia question to hol kotu yate Assam art and culture, Assam literature, personality, important places eburo bikhoye kotu mention syllabus ot nai, and those which are of extreme importance but not mentioned in the syllabus clearly, we are calling them the syllabus blind spot. Explicitly syllabus ot likha nai, but the APSC loves these subjects. They are directly called syllabus blind spots. We are calling it as syllabus blind spots. Itia question bur kenekwa type or ahe. This is your 2023 paper. Tar first question juntu ahise from Assam That in itself is from Assam literature. Assam literature pa first question to ahise. Tolole jao. Assam art and culture, architecture pora, current affairs hoy, but architecture pa ahise second question. Fourth question to sao, important places of a district. Bill bilakor kotha ahise. Ki hoy important places of a district? Is it mentioned in the syllabus? No. But sao prothom sarita question ore tinta question ahise from those topics which are not explicitly mentioned in the syllabus of APSC. Hoy ne? Tole jao. Eke Cotton College ketia establish hoise, Guwahati University, Assam Agriculture University, Tezpur University to ketia establish hoise. Will it come between history, economy, polity, geography? No, it is a syllabus blind spot. It is a syllabus blind spot. Heneke jodi apni paper kon analyze kori jai, there are multiple topics which are being asked, which are not under the regular pillars of polity, economy, history and geography. Junto explicitly mentioned as amar APSC syllabus. So moi ar mor Assam faculty chainikai etu jeta mili pele discuss korilu, we thought je why not have a course which will be specifically addressing this syllabus blind spots. Kyunki ami ji buji paisu syllabusot mention nathaka bostubur he besi importantly teoloke question huda amar feel hol. For example, আপনারা it is this like মানে polity যদি আরো আগত যায়, they've explicitly asked about the fauna of northeast India. Yes, আমি ecology পঢ়ো fauna of Assam, maybe fauna of India, but itia we have to know about the fauna of northeast India as well. Syllabus blind spot. heneke apni jodi agole goi thake, there are multiple questions which have come. Places which are located north of Brahmaputra, it might look like a geography question, but it is actually a map based question. Jonto geography পঢ়িব পৰা যায়, but also can be considered something which is an extended version of syllabus of geography. This is art and culture. Dance or kotha hudise. Was dance somewhere mentioned in the syllabus? No, so it's a syllabus blind spot. So আমি জি বুজি পালো syllabus blind spot or pora bahut question ahe. Syllabus blind spot, personalities, important places, who's who, art and culture, architecture, literature, ebilak APSC favorite things to ask. Favorite, see, import hitar jokhola, silghat, kulsi, semkhor. What is it? Syllabus blind spot. So ebilak bostuk address koribo porake, we have produced this very special course for you, which we are naming as Assam Essentials. So how is this course, how is this module going to help? Like I already said, this module is going to cover some very important parts which are not covered by the regular history, geography, polity or economy. These are the things which are the syllabus blind spots, which are not explicitly mentioned in the syllabus but APSC loves. Ki topic ase? Assam art and culture, Assam architecture, Assam who's who, Assam Literature Award, important location and their relevance, Northeast Tribe Monument Festival and MCQs and PYQs. That's a different thing. So Assam art and culture, architecture, who's who, literature, important location, relevance, etu bole akol current affairs or hondorbo aise. It's not like that. They are asking all the important places, all the important locations, all important people, all important literature, all important art, all important culture, all important architecture, festival, monument, everything. So what we are going to do in this module? In 7 days, Sandpaper Academy is going to cover all the syllabus blind spots that are present in the paper of APSC. 7 dinot ami daily attack topic loi asu আৰু ডেইলিকে এটাকে টপিক লৈ পেলাই একদিনত আপুনি আপোনাৰ আৰ্ট এণ্ড আৰ্কিটেকচাৰ কমপ্লিট কৰি দিম, এদিন লিটাৰেচাৰ, এদিন হুজ হু, এদিন ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট লোকেশ্যন উইথ মেপছ, এদিন আপোনালোকৰ ফেষ্টিভেলছ, ডান্সেছ এইবোৰ কভাৰ কৰি দিম। সেনেকুৱাকৈ আমি এটা মডিউল বনাইছোঁ which will help you to cover all the syllabus blind spots in only and only 7 days. আৰু আমি ইয়াত কষ্টিং কি ৰাখিছোঁ as usual like Sandpaper Academy keeps things student friendly. Crash course to jodi ami gootei crash course to ami 5100 disu, so obviously we have kept the price quite low. We have kept the price as only rupees 799. Aru even before I brought this module to you guys, 12 seats have already been gone. And like I said, current affairs of jeneke moi close kori dibo laga hol because we have limited seats. We want to concentrate on your quality. Like that, Assam Essentials I'm pretty sure will go out of seats, run out of seats very very early. So classes arambho hobo ulaise from 28th January bihur pisot 7 dinot we are going to finish on one-on-one mentorship too. Obviously it's there, whoever is there will be able to tell you. Doubt clearing classes thake jodi apnaloke bisare ki you want a particular thing to be cleared more up, we will always take care of that. And also daily class.pdf, that is to there only, okay? And also this is our phone number 7638032775. You can give a WhatsApp, you can give a call, and we will be there for you 24/7. So this is what we have brought to you in the form of Assam Essentials, your 7 days formula for easier cracking of APSC prelims. ठीक है, जदि आपनार syllabus blind spot cover हो जाए, if your syllabus blind spot is covered beyond history, polity, economy, geography, I think there should not be any genre from which question will come and you will not be able to tackle. So it is only 799, and like I said before, we are going to have very limited seats. So book today and get our mentorship, because it's not just another coaching center, it's Sandpaper. Thank you so much.